So I was in two minds whether to make the video or not. One, because I didn't want it to come across as clickbait, and the other reason is, I'm not sure what the other reason is actually. And the other reason is I wasn't sure if you guys would be interested or not. So, but I thought I'd make it anyway as, you know, kind of an update as to what's going on right now. Yeah, uploads on the channel are kind of sporadic. Sometimes there's a few, sometimes there's not many at all. If you're new to the channel, you probably think this guy never uploads anything. Well, I do, but I haven't really had a lot of time or money. So, now the reason for the title is I have in fact lost my job. Probably like a lot of people out there have lost their jobs last year or this year due to the current circumstances. It's yeah, it's not an easy time for anyone. Fortunately, I have got something lined up. It's going to take a while to kind of get things going, but I have got something that I can fall back onto. Now, this will give me more spare time and more money, but we'll come back to that later on. You may or may not know, I worked in a body shop. Obviously, not a lot of people have money at the moment. Work died off. You know, still had to pay rent and stuff on the workshop. Long story short, boss decided to call it a day. So no longer work in a paint shop. Yeah, bit of a bummer, but that's what it is. Although I did see it coming, nothing ever really prepares you for something like that, because it's kind of, you know, kind of getting dumped in a way. I'm a pretty positive guy pretty much all the time, and must admit it did kind of take the wind out of my sails. So I kind of stopped doing a lot of things. I was just at home kind of like being a bit sad really, and just doing lots of housework, DIY. I was doing that stuff and researching things to do to the car. So in the kind of frenzy of everything closing down, I painted a load of stuff, so hence why everything is kind of a mess at the moment. Yeah, so it's kind of a weird update slash yeah, employment status or no employment currently. And another reason why things kind of stopped is because I didn't want to spend any money on stuff on this, because, you know, obviously having money is quite important when it comes to paying bills and all that stuff. Also, I had to buy a van for my new job. I had to buy a van, so I had to, yeah, spend some money buying a van, which is very, very nerve-wracking when, you know, you haven't really got an income and, you know, you need to lay out money to buy a van, but that van's going to make you money. So although it's a bit kind of nerve-wracking, it's essential, and it's going to pay off. It's going to pay itself back. So if anyone out there has lost their jobs like me, I do feel for you, and yeah, everything is going to be okay. I'm always very positive about things, and things happen for a reason. It's going to be fine. It's going to be absolutely fine. It's just given me an opportunity to think about this, not so much that, but this, and what I'm going to do to it. I want to make this car as good as possible. I want to test my skills as much as possible. I will tell you right now, I am highly addicted to learning new skills. Yeah, very addicted to learning new skills. One thing, well, two things I really want to get good at. Obviously, it's carbon fiber. I'm obsessed with it at the moment, and I really want to get good at welding. That's one other thing. Obviously, I've got to buy a welding setup. That's in the future, whatever. The other thing is carbon. So I've been racking my brains about bits and pieces of carbon fiber, obviously watching loads of videos. If you guys are interested in carbon fiber, check out the Easy Composites videos. They're absolutely amazing for like DIY tutorials, things like that. I'm by no means an expert in anything like that, but I like to think I've got a good grasp on it right now. So I have a plan. Yeah, everything's going to be carbon pretty much. Obviously, I've done the skinning, so a lot of you guys have probably come from that DIY skinning video, the carbon fiber skinning video. Yeah, it's all good. I'm going to learn how to do, basically I want to progress to do vacuum bagging carbon fiber. Yeah, just do it properly. So the first thing I want to try and do is do the front bumper, because a lot of you guys just hate the chrome front bumper. It is a rare, very, very rare front bumper, so I don't want to get rid of it. So I'm going to essentially copy it, make it out of carbon fiber. All good. The front lip and splitter, I'm going to redo those. I'm going to make that front lip purely out of carbon, and I'm going to make that front splitter purely out of carbon as well, because it's a kind of composite at the moment. It's kind of sandwiched, but I want to make it purely out of carbon, and I know how to do it now, so I'm going to do that. Obviously the wings are, or fenders. The wings they're skinned at the moment. I want to get hold of a pair of steel wings, make molds for those and make proper carbon ones. The over fenders, I want to make carbon versions of those. The door skins, eventually I want to carbon, the bonnet, scuttle panel, the tailgate skin. I want to carbon as much as I possibly can to make it really, you know, lightweight and cool looking, and just, yeah, kind of test my skills and get better and better and better. That's all I want to do. I just want to be really good at stuff because it frustrates the hell out of me when I don't know how to do something. A lot of you guys might be the same. So yeah, that's the plan. I just want to take it to the next level. I'm not going to take it to any shows this year because it's not going to be ready. I don't care. That's it. I don't care. Like, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. It's, yeah, it's what it is. It's, you know, I'm not going to rush anything because I know I won't be happy. So yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, this is the end of the video. So stay positive. Everything's going to be good. We're all going to hang out. If you see me at a show, yeah, come say hi. So I won't have a car there, but I'll be at a couple of shows this year. Retro Rides definitely, and Players Classic. I'll 100% be at those two shows. Yeah, if you see me, come say hi and have a chat. Always happy to hang out and talk to people. So that's it. Take care, guys. Yeah, hope everything's going well for you, and I'll see you guys real soon. Take care.
Subscribe, you fools.